Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to make an anti-aging and hydrating skincare oil or facial oil that is going to help treat a lot of issues with mature or aging skin. For this oil, you'll need a set of grade A essential oils that are good for skincare and a carrier oil or oils of your choice. So I'm going to start off by clearing out my scale, and yeah, so now I have Myrrh oil. Myrrh oil is the carrier oil that I'm going to use as my the base of this oil. It's moisturizing, it's anti-aging, it increases skin's overall appearance and glow. So I'm going to start off with a ½ ounce of Muarula oil into my dish to start off my recipe. And now I'm going to add some jojoba oil. This is a thinner oil, so this will kind of thin this Muarula oil out. It has tons of wonderful properties for the skin. Jojoba is moisturizing, antibacterial, and the antioxidants in it may help your body produce collagen. Our collagen levels reduce as we age, and that's what changes the structure of our face. It's non-comedogenic, which means it does not clog your pores. I added 3 droppers of jojoba. Jojoba oil is hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's firming, anti-inflammatory, and also skin regenerating. So it's great in this particular blend. Next, I'm going to add Rosehip Seed oil. And Rosehip Seed oil is wonderful for the skin. It is a little thicker than the jojoba, so I'm going to add 1 dropper full. And then next I'm going to add Tamanu oil. Tamanu is very beneficial to the skin. As you can see, it has a green tint to it. It does have an earthy smell, so it can be off-putting to some. So you do want to add that in and add essential oils if you're not a fan of that earthy smell. But this is great because this does help with aging skin. It also helps regenerate collagen in the skin. So I'm going to add 3 drops of this to my mixture. And now that is the base, the oil base for my skincare. So I'm just going to use a whisk and stir this all together really, really well. And so now I'm going to add the essential oils. Geranium this is Egyptian geranium, and this is good for anti-aging. It helps clear skin. It's a wrinkle reducer, it's a wrinkle fighter, and it also helps slow premature aging. So for this, I'm going to add, now this is a very, very strong geranium scent. That's the only way I can really describe it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you don't want to use too much of this. So I'm going to add 2 drops to my oil. 1, 2. Next, I'm going to add sweet fennel. And fennel is a very strong natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent. This is going to help also with stimulate cell regeneration and heal wounds and scars. It smells wonderful. And so for this, I'm going to use 2 drops. 1, 2. After that, I'm going to use Myrrh in my mixture. This helps mature skin issues. It also helps with redness and reduces the signs or appearance of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps with the reduction of scars. This is a very earthy fragrance, so I'm only going to use 2 drops of myrrh in this mixture. Okay. If you go a little over, that's fine because myrrh is not a hot oil, so that's not going to harm you. Next, I'm going to add frankincense. Frankincense prevents the signs of aging and improves tone and elasticity, and also may help lift the skin. It smells wonderful. It's got a very mentholy smell to it, so I'm only going to add 2 drops of this to my mixture. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add 3 more drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now I'm just going to stir this up really well to combine. And this mixture I'm going to use before bed as a hydrating oil and anti-aging oil. It smells amazing. So there it is. I've decided to add an additional 8 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of myrrh, and 3 drops of fennel. This is called measuring by intuition. Okay, once your oil has been combined really well, you don't need to heat this up for any reason. I'm just going to pour this into a clean amber glass jar or bottle with a small funnel. Pour that in slowly. Okay, so now I have the moisturizing anti-aging oil in this amber bottle. So now I have it in this amber bottle for storage so that it is not going to be degraded by light. But I want to show you what this oil looks like on the skin. See, it's a nice light golden color right there. You see that? And I'm just going to apply it to the skin. And so what you'll do is apply this to your face. And you don't need but 2 or 3 drops for your entire face, your neck, and your décolleté. And just rub this in. Now, whenever you're using blends or oils that you've created, or any type of oil in your skincare regimen, you want to apply this and let it sit in the skin, or I'm sorry, you want to apply this and let it sit on the skin for about 5 minutes and let it absorb. Some oils do absorb slower than others, but I have a few dry oils in this mixture, so it is going to absorb into the skin pretty quickly. So this one I'm going to give about 5 to 7 minutes, and after that, after it has absorbed into the skin, then I would proceed with the rest of my skincare regimen. So I would add my moisturizer after this. This feels so silky and smooth. It's incredibly light. It smells wonderful. The fragrance is amazing. So this is just something so relaxing and comforting right before bed. I really hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, please let me know how it came out in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also please let me know in the comment section. And as always, I want to thank you again for stopping by my Carolina homestead today and making this natural skincare anti-aging moisturizing oil with me. You have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.